Each bridle is going to be completely taken apart, and we're going to race to see who can clean it, every inch of it, clean it and oil it. Everything has to be put back together perfectly, and the first one to win, or to get it all put back together correctly, wins a special prize. And we'll do 2 categories, one for the fastest reassemble and one for the cleanest bridle, okay? I was just gonna get a close-up of everyone.
This is...
What are you doing, Molly? Let's see Jaden's progress for YouTube. I think she's got it put together right. How are you feeling, Mia? Are you gonna win?
Oh yeah. Now we are.
Take it out of her hands.
Look at her holding her pants up. Her pants are gonna fall. It's getting cutthroat over here.
Yeah. It won't come off.
It looks good though.
This stuff in here, it doesn't come off.
Toothbrush. You gotta use the toothbrush.
Oh, toothbrush. Hello, everyone.
Nice.
We're gonna win. Sorry about it. Did you already turn yours in?
Yes, I got clean. It was really clean.
Mine will be the cleanest.
That's what you think.
Yeah, that's what I know.
Okay, well, if you're done and waiting, let's start eating.
Well, there's a hair on it.
3 people right now?
That are done and clean.
Right.
And then there's 2 people that are done but they're not clean.
Exactly.
So,
I finished, and they said once I was finished.
everyone else has to be done soon because they're on the timer. And then we will be judged by the final judge.
I did it.
You did it?
I did it. It's clean.
Yay!
And I'm being taught how to wrap.
Alright, let's see.
Don't make fun of it.
Let's see.
It's way dirtier.
Well, it's not put together.
Winner, chicken dinner. We are the winners after 40,000 times of cleaning. Ours was the cleanest and hers was the well put togetherest.
Yes.
Yeah.
First and second place here.
Our things are we got out of the chores and Equine Healthcare International gift bag.
Okay, say goodbye, Ainsley.
Bye. 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 Bye.